Hello children, welcome to today's Cultural and Creative Art class. In today's class, our topic is Meaning of Collage. Our topic is Meaning of Collage. Collage is an artwork made by putting together pieces of different materials to a flat surface to form a shape. The procedure involves cutting and gluing different pieces of materials to a flat surface. Sometimes it does not involve cutting but putting many whole materials together. For example, picture collage. Picture collage involves putting many pictures together to form a picture. Papers to form shapes using papers. To create a paper collage, you will need 1. A board. 2. Paint or coloring pencils. 3. Pencils, markers, or pens. 4. Gum or glue. Number 5. Paintbrush. Number 6. Newspapers or magazine papers. Number 7. Ruler. And number 8. Scissors. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoy the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.